Hi guys! In this video, I will try to create a Valentine's Day makeup look. Let's see how it goes. I will use this FS palette. I will use the shade Butter Clay and the LOL palette with this shade over here. It's from Etude House. Looks like this. This one, I will use this. I already moisturized my face using this Neutrogena Hydroboost water gel. Now, I prime my face using this Makeup Forever Step 1 Nourishing Primer. Just a plain white primer. It has thick consistency. Now for the foundation, I will use this Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow by Benefit in the shade of Ivory. It's in the sample size, by the way. They gave it to me, I think last year. It has 3 ml of product. I'll transfer it in this mixing palette. By the way guys, I have 3 of these Hello Flawless Oxygen Wow. I have 2 of them in the shade of Ivory, 1 piece in the shade of Champagne. It has a glowy finish. See? For the concealer, I will use this NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Light to Vanilla. Also in my lip. To set it with this Rimmel Stay Matte in Transparent. And for the whole face is this Rimmel Stay Matte, also in Creamy Natural. I already did my brows using the Nichido Mineral Precise Pencil in Hazelnut and the K Palette Real Lasting Eyebrow Mascara. Now let's proceed to eyeshadow. This is the shade. I will use it on my crease. Just blend it with this dome brush. This light bronzer into my outer V. Just pat na color that brown eyeshadow and then blend it with the first color of eyeshadow we put. And with a clean blending brush, we blend the eyeshadows so that there is no harsh lines. We put this eyeshadow, we just put it over the brown eyeshadow. And then we put this Butter Clay eyeshadow so that there's no harsh lines. It will blend easily. Also with the crease. The fourth one is the eyeshadow I use on the lid. Now we use this eyeshadow over here. Light bronzer. L'Oreal gel liner in black. I will use this BLK Cosmetics in the shade of Flush. For the mascara, I will use this LOL mascara. Now for the lips, you can use any color. It depends on you. Any color will complement the eyeshadow, the color of the eyeshadows. Mine, it's the Luxe by Lipaholic by For You Too. Now the look is done. I just spray this Milani Make It Last setting spray. This is my final look for my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial, makeup look. I hope you like it and enjoy watching my video. So guys, please subscribe to my channel. If you want another video, just let me know. Just comment the comment section below. See you soon guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Ingat kayo palagi. Bye!